Breastfeeding tips for beginners. Why should I breastfeed? Deciding to breastfeed is a wonderful decision for you and your baby. Breast milk provides complete nutrition for your infant and helps to prevent illness. Babies who do not breastfeed have more ear infections and diarrhea than breastfeed babies. Breastfeed babies have fewer trips to the pediatrician for common childhood illnesses, have fewer allergies, a lower risk of obesity and diabetes, reduced risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, and higher IQs than formula-fed babies. With breast milk, there is no wasted formula and no cost. Breastfeeding is convenient because the milk is always ready and at the right temperature. There are also benefits for the mother who breastfeeds. There is less ovarian and breast cancer and osteoporosis in breastfeeding mothers compared to formula-feeding mothers. Breastfeeding helps with postpartum weight loss, delays fertility, increases a mother's self-confidence and promotes bonding. How do I get started? The first few weeks of breastfeeding, your baby needs to breastfeed frequently to establish your milk supply. Most babies will breastfeed at least 8 times in a 24-hour period. Recent research shows that babies usually have 11 breastfeeding sessions per day if you count feedings on each breast separately. The actual number can range from 7 to 19 sessions daily when each breast is counted as a feeding. The key to successful breastfeeding is the way you position and latch your baby onto the breast. You should hold the baby tummy to tummy so that there is no space between your body and your baby. The baby needs to be facing the breast. Please make sure not to press on the back of the baby's head. Do I have enough milk for my baby? This is probably the greatest concern for all new breastfeeding mothers. After the first few days of life, many infants seem to breastfeed more often and may be a little fussy. Many parents think that their baby is not getting enough milk. This is a normal stage of breastfeeding. The infant's demand increases the mother's milk supply. When mothers worry about their milk supply, they sometimes offer bottles of formula. These bottles cause problems in two ways. They fill your baby up, so he won't breastfeed as often. When you breastfeed less often, you will not make as much milk. Bottle feeding also causes problems with sucking at the breast. The bottle nipple is shaped much differently from your nipple and milk flows faster from the bottle. Babies may become confused when bottles or pacifiers are offered in the early weeks when they are just learning how to breastfeed. Even though you cannot see the amount of breast milk that goes into your baby, there are other ways to know if they are getting enough. How often should I feed my baby? Baby's stomach is small and breast milk is easily digested, so it will leave the stomach in 1 to 2 hours. This means you should feed your baby often in the first few weeks, but eventually the time between feedings may be longer. Always feed your baby when he is showing signs of hunger, even if the baby just ate an hour ago. Your baby is doing well if he feeds a total of 7 to 19 times a day when counting each breast as a separate feeding. How long should a feeding last? Your baby should nurse long enough to get a good flow of milk and to be full. In the beginning of the feeding, the milk is more watery. This satisfies the baby's thirst. As nursing continues, the amount of fat increases. The high-fat milk at the end of the feeding is called hind milk. Allow your baby to nurse for as long as he wants, at least 15 minutes, on the first breast so the baby empties the breast and receives the hind milk. When your baby has had enough, he will let go of the breast and seem satisfied. Try burping or changing your baby's diaper and then offer the second breast. If your baby is still hungry, he will continue to feed on the second breast. Make sure to alternate the side you start with because the baby's suck is always stronger at the beginning of the feeding. Growth spurts. At around 2 weeks, 6 weeks and 3 months, your baby may have a growth spurt. He will want to breastfeed every 1 to 1.5 hours for a day or two. Remember, this is your baby's way of increasing your milk supply. Allow your baby to breastfeed as often as he wants during these days and you will make enough milk in a day or two. Breastfeeding can be a rewarding and loving experience for both you and your baby. You can feel proud that you are providing your baby with the start to a healthier life. Make sure to subscribe our channel Learn Breastfeeding.